Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to send BNB from crypto to Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open crypto. So launch the crypto app or visit the crypto.com website and log into your account. Now, navigate to the withdrawal page. So find and click on the withdraw or send button. The location of this button may vary depending on the crypto platform you are using. Now select BNB. So choose BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to send from crypto to Trust Wallet. Now enter the withdrawal details. So provide the necessary information such as the recipient address and withdrawal amount. You will need to obtain the BNB wallet address from your Trust Wallet. So obtain your Trust Wallet address. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the BNB wallet. Click on the Receive or Copy button to obtain your BNB wallet address. Copy the address to the clipboard. Now paste the Trust Wallet address. Return to crypto.com, withdrawal page, and paste the Trust Wallet BNB address you've copied earlier into the recipient address or destination address. Field. So now double check the address to ensure accuracy. Specify the transfer amount. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to transfer to Trust Wallet in the amount field. Ensure the amount is within your available balance on crypto. Review and confirm. So carefully review the transaction details, including the recipient address and the amount being sent. Verify that everything is accurate before proceeding. Now confirm the transaction. So click on the confirm or send button to initiate the transfer from crypto to Trust Wallet. So crypto may prompt you to enter your security credentials such as a password or confirm the transaction using your wallet security features. Now you need to wait for the transfer. The transfer from crypto to Trust Wallet may take some time to be confirmed on the Binance chain network. The length of time will depend on network congestion and other factors. The last one is to check Trust Wallet for the BNB. So once the transfer is completed, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the BNB wallet. You should see the transferred BNB funds reflected in your Trust Wallet balance. So please note that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the specific interface and layout of crypto platform. Always double-check addresses and take necessary security precautions when making cryptocurrency transactions to ensure the safety of your funds. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.